Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Anyway, it is a very simple recipe, you know what I mean? It is good to share your idea with others. Sometimes a lot of people doesn't know. Some people say, oh, Chef Ricardo cook the same thing. It doesn't look. If you doesn't watch the video, please guys, don't write. You need to watch the video to see exactly what's in the video. Because someone say I cook the same thing, but it's not the same thing. It's different recipe. Yeah? If you're a chef, you can use one item, make 1,000 items. If you're not a chef, you don't know how to do that. If you're a pilot, you know how to land your plane. If you're a doctor, you know what to do. So guys, watch the video and then leave your comments. It's very important. Don't just write. It's very important because of write. But anyway, it's a very simple recipe, but a lot of people doesn't know. If you live in London, you will know exactly. If you're an English person, if you were born in Britain, grew up in this country, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Sweet mashed potato. Very English. As I say in the video, you can add anything you like to eat, but it's, you know what I mean, it's definitely, sweet mashed potato is a tradition, you know what I mean. Sweet mash, you know what I mean, it's an English food. If you like English food, that's where it comes in handy for you. If it doesn't like English food, you don't need to put your comments. You can put your comments as where you want to put it. If you like it, leave a comment. Sweet mash, for me, I like it. I never born in England. I come here and I learn the recipe and I love it. It's a beautiful recipe. Sometimes I add different stuff inside of it. You can do it natural because the sweet potato is sweet, so you can do it natural. So thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Remember one thing, don't forget you can donate. It's on the YouTube channel. The link is up on the top of the video there. You can see the link. If you can donate, straight away how to donate. It's very easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you. Amazing recipe. We got drinks. We got a lot more stuff, guys. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch Chef Ricardo cooking show. See you next time. Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, today we're gonna make you some sweet mash right here. First of all, I want to tell you something. I got some sweet potato right here. This is a sweet potato. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the skin off the potato and cut them up very small because we're gonna make some sweet mash. Over here, I have a medium-sized pot on the stove with some water inside of it. As you can see, the steam coming out of it. That means it soon start to get boiled up. This is one of the main things which you need to do, is to put on a pot with some water and make it start to get boiled. Over here, I'm going to remove the skin off the potato. Be careful, guys, when you're going to remove the skin off the potato. You can get this in a local shop to buy or supermarket. So I'm going to remove the skin and cut them up into chunky dices. Alright? And then we're going to cook them off in that pot for roughly 15 minutes. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So when you remove the skin from the potato, from the sweet potato, this is the way how it look. So basically what we're going to do now, we're going to cut them up and cut them into some chunky dice and simple, put them straight inside of that water which is start to boil at the moment. Alright guys, if you want to add salt, you can add salt to your water, but I'm just going to boil them natural and crush them natural because it is sweet potato mash. Enjoy the recipe as we cut them up into chunky dice. Nice and lovely. So that is the chunky dice. So basically what we're going to do is to put them straight inside of the water like this. Don't do what I'm doing. If you're gonna do that, be careful and just be careful and be safe. Alright, so we're gonna put them straight inside of that water as the water start to boil. And basically, as I said before, if you want to add some salt, you can add salt to your water, guys. Basically the sweet potato won't take long for it to cook because this is the one which is very easy. This sweet potato is from Brazil. If it was in Jamaica, we normally get the Jamaican original yellow one. Yes, guys. So basically, we're gonna make you some nice, lovely sweet potato mash, and hopefully, you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So as you can see inside of the pot, come the sweet potato is boiling up. So yeah, almost ready. It's roughly about 15 minutes now since I have it boiling up like this. Looking lovely and nice. So we're gonna pour it off and crush it. So we call that sweet potato mash. Alright, you can have that as a side meal or as a side veg. Some people have it as a side veg, some people have it on its own, some people have it with some chicken, whatever you like to have it with, you can have it with, but it's just really nice and fantastic. So As you can see, sweet mash. Enjoy the recipe as we pour off the water. This is gonna be ready in the next 3 to 4 more minutes. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. I've just poured it out of the water, and that's the way it look. Right over here, I'm gonna pour it straight inside of this bowl like this. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Basically, some people do put butter in theirs, but I just want to do my own natural. You can put whatever you like inside of your sweet mash. It's up to you. You can put sweet corn, you can put whatever you like, pepper, or anything you like to put into your sweet mash. But I just like to do mine like this. It's just natural. Basically, all I need to do is just get a masher and just crush it like this. And this is what you call sweet mash. Alright, so guys, you can have this on its own, and as I say, you can have it with anything you like. And that's the sweet mash. Beautiful, really nice and lovely, and I'm telling you, it have a special taste towards it, guys. To be honest, it's just really nice sweet mash. As you can see, that's the way it look. Beautiful and really nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. It might look simple, but a lot of people never know you could do something like this. And as I say, you can add a lot of stuff to it. You can add sweet corn, you can add green peas, you can add veg to it, you can add anything. You can have it, you can add butter, oil. But I like to do my one natural because the potato is just sweet and fantastic. So you can have it with a piece of chicken, you can have it with a piece of beef or lamb, pork, whatever you like. So hopefully this will be a benefit to someone. Someone might say, oh, Chef Ricardo, come on, you can do better than this. But a lot of people don't know that this is even an English really nice dish. A lot of English people love this kind of stuff, guys. So it's just something really nice, and I myself, I like it. You know what I mean? Sometimes when I'm at work and they do sweet mash, I just have this with some chicken or a piece of a lamb or something. So it's beautiful. And remember, don't forget, donate to the channel, guys. We have a lot of stuff coming up. We got a studio which we are working on, which that's gonna be a benefit to a lot of you guys. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.